Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's what I figured.
Alright guys, so I was riding, about to go to Best Buy, and I just pulled up and seen something, I don't even know what to call this thing, man. You said you call it Woody? Oh, Woody is a good name for it. I'm just gonna stop talking and let y'all see this thing, man. Boom. Look at that right there. Is this whole thing made out of wood?
Yes, red cedar.
That is crazy. Look at this thing, man. Y'all ever seen anything like that before? Got the, what do you call them type of doors that go out that way?
Suicide.
Suicide doors on the wood. Oh my God, that is amazing, bro. Did you make this?
Yes, 9 years ago.
Wow. How's it dry?
Good.
Well, how fast does it go?
I've gone 70.
70. Wow. Sorry, y'all. I got the new gimbal here trying to, you know what I mean? Let me lock it here. Okay. Yeah, there we go. So I got it locked now. That thing's crazy. Home of the USA. You ain't gonna see that nowhere else. Got the lights on top, man. Nuts. This is crazy, man. I ain't never seen nothing like this before in my life.
For you.
Oh yeah. That's the horn for you. Oh man. That is crazy, man. This is crazy. I know you done won some awards with this thing, man.
Oh yeah.
This is crazy. You stay out this way?
Yeah.
You got Instagram or anything?
No, I gotta do that.
Yeah, oh yeah, you gotta get you an Instagram, man, for sure. Ramon.
Pleasure.
My YouTube name is Mook in the V. That's where the video will be at right there. Let me see if I got a card in here.
Yeah.
I think I got an old one in here. I gotta get some more.
Dan, get with the time.
Oh yeah, you got to, man. It's a little old, but if you,
that's okay.
yeah, same, you know,
That's it?
either you can scan that or you can just go straight to YouTube
Right
and
there?
type in that space just like that.
Okay.
And you'll see your car on there, man.
Great.
That's awesome, bro.
glad
I was right here
I'm
at the
glad
light.
you
I
seen
said,
it.
oh, I gotta catch him and come around. I was flying. I was like, you just about to pull out. That is awesome, man. Wow. Do you go over to like Lockport and stuff and take it to that?
A little bit.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That's nice, man.
Yep.
That is nice, man. You don't see that every day.
No, see that's
Yeah, that's
even
crazy.
the guy up here, he's like, what's up with that thing?
Yeah, for sure, man. That's awesome, man. I appreciate you for letting me record it.
No problem.
Thank you, man. All right, have a good one, bro.
Good too. We'll see you soon.
Yes, sir.